WordPress themes are dumb. They're finished. There is no good reason today to use a WordPress theme. In fact, unless you're a professional coder and web developer, a WordPress theme is just going to hold you back. Even the creators of WordPress know this as they push forward with the Gutenberg page editor that allows you to design lots of aspects of your pages. So if WordPress themes are done, what should you do instead? That's what I want to talk about in this video. I'm Tim from realwebsitehints.com, and it's my mission to help you find the best and easiest ways of building great quality websites. I do talk about some products and services in this video. I'll link to them down below if you're interested in checking them out. These links also help to support this channel, so thanks for your support. The traditional way of building a website with WordPress is to use a WordPress theme. This is actually the reason why I started this YouTube channel in the first place. Typical WordPress themes are insanely frustrating to use. You can look through hundreds of themes, and you'll probably find things that you like about some of them, but some of them you won't like. And if you're like me, it's impossible to find one theme that has all of the design features and functions that you want for your website. Even things as simple as changing a button color or the website background color for a traditional theme can turn into a major hurdle if you don't know how to code. It can feel like you need to become a professional web developer just to make simple changes to a WordPress theme. But there's a better way to build a WordPress website. I've been on a quest for years to find this better way, and now we've got page builders. And page builders not only make it easy for you to build and design pages, but they can actually make it possible for you to effectively design your own themes. Two of my favorite website builders are the Divi theme and the Elementor Pro page builder. These page builders allow you to fairly easily design everything about your WordPress website. Everything from each individual page to the header and footer. You can even add additional functionality to your website without you needing to know how to code. But there is still a problem, and that is what I call the blank screen problem. You have all this power at your fingertips to build any kind of page that you want, but unless you're a designer, you probably are just going to be stuck with staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what you should design. Sure, these page builders do try to help you out by offering free page and web design templates included when you purchase their plugins, but have you really looked at those templates? Maybe it's just me, but I think that these free designs look terrible. To me, they look like sad or empty or something. I just don't really feel like they follow good design practices. They sure don't look like the type of websites that I would want to visit. Fortunately, you aren't stuck with the designs created by the page builders themselves. All of the best WordPress page builders allow you to upload your own templates. These templates don't need to be created by you. In fact, you can find thousands of amazing looking website templates designed by professional web designers. And these templates actually look like the kind of websites that I would want to visit. Since these templates are for page builders, you can easily change and modify the look of your pages using the page builder instead of needing to change the code of the theme. But that's not the best part. The best part is that you aren't stuck with using just one website template. You can actually upload and use multiple website templates and mix and match the best design aspects from different templates. So now, instead of looking through themes and wishing that you could just have this part of this one theme or that part from another theme, but realizing that you just need to settle for one or the other, now you can have the best of whatever website templates that you find, and you can easily mix and match and put your website together like putting together Lego blocks, rather than being stuck with one single pre-made design. So how can you find great, well-designed, easy-to-use templates for your WordPress blog? Right now, Elementor Pro is the most popular page builder, so it's going to be easiest to find templates for Elementor. And there are a lot of options out there. However, there is one particular resource that I like. They have thousands of website templates for Elementor Pro and tons of great-looking designs. If you want to find out what that resource is, you can check out this video right here, and I went on a really deep dive into this resource, personally testing over 100 of the website templates to find out if they were any good. So check out this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.